Welcome to the glowing world of handmade candles. Whether you're a passionate candle connoisseur or an aspiring entrepreneur looking for a creative business venture, selling handmade candles online can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor. With their enchanting scents, mesmerizing flickering flames, and artisanal craftsmanship, these little wonders have the power to create ambiance, evoke emotions, and bring warmth to any space. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your online candle shop and get started selling your beautiful creations. We'll also provide tips on pricing, packaging, and promotion, so you can make the most of this unique and lucrative business opportunity. We will explore the benefits of selling handmade candles online and discover the various types of candles you can offer. We'll also delve into where to sell your creations on the vast landscape of e-commerce platforms. And fear not, we won't leave you in the dark when it comes to promoting your new candle business. We'll share some valuable tips that will help illuminate your path towards success. So grab a cup of tea or coffee, or perhaps light one of your favorite candles. Sit back, and let's dive into the illuminating world of selling handmade candles online. The benefits of selling handmade candles online. Handmade candles offer a host of benefits when it comes to selling them online. First and foremost, they provide a unique and personal touch that mass-produced candles simply cannot replicate. Each handmade candle is crafted with care, attention to detail, and love, resulting in a one-of-a-kind product that customers will be drawn to. Additionally, selling handmade candles online allows you to tap into a niche market of consumers who value quality and craftsmanship. These individuals are often willing to pay a premium for handmade products that are made with natural ingredients and free from harmful additives or chemicals. Another advantage of selling handmade candles online is the flexibility it offers. You have the freedom to create your own designs, experiment with different scents and colors, and cater to specific customer preferences. This level of customization can set you apart from competitors and attract loyal customers who appreciate your unique offerings. Moreover, the online marketplace provides an opportunity for global reach. With just a few clicks, your handmade candles can be discovered by customers around the world. This opens up new avenues for growth and expansion beyond local markets. Running an online business reduces overhead costs compared to brick-and-mortar stores. Without the need for physical retail space or extensive inventory management systems, you can focus on creating beautiful candles while keeping expenses low. In conclusion, oops! Sorry about that. Selling handmade candles online offers numerous advantages such as uniqueness, niche appeal, customization options, global reach potential, and cost-effectiveness, all contributing factors towards building a successful candle business in the digital realm. The different types of handmade candles you can sell. When it comes to selling handmade candles online, there is a wide variety of options to choose from. Each type of candle has its own unique qualities and appeal, making them suitable for different preferences and occasions. One popular type of handmade candle is the container candle. These candles are made by pouring melted wax into containers such as jars or tins, which not only act as a vessel but also add aesthetic value to the overall product. Container candles come in various shapes, sizes, and scents, making them versatile and customizable. Another sought-after option is the pillar candle. These cylindrical-shaped candles are perfect for creating an elegant ambiance and can be used as decorative pieces on their own or paired with other accessories. Pillar candles can be made using different types of wax like soy or beeswax, allowing you to cater to specific customer preferences. If you want to offer something truly unique, consider hand-rolled beeswax candles. Beeswax has a natural golden color and emits a sweet honey scent when burned. The process of rolling each individual sheet creates visually appealing patterns that add charm to any space. For those looking for eco-friendly alternatives, soy wax candles are an excellent choice. Soy wax is derived from soybean oil and burns cleaner than traditional paraffin wax while still offering strong fragrance throw. In addition to these options, you can explore specialty candles like aromatherapy or massage candles that provide therapeutic benefits along with ambient lighting. By offering a diverse range of handmade candle options online, you can cater to various customer preferences and expand your market reach effectively. Where to sell your handmade candles online. With the rise in popularity of handmade products, selling your candles online can be a lucrative venture. The internet provides a vast array of platforms where you can showcase and sell your unique creations. Here are some popular options. 1. Etsy. Known for its focus on handmade and vintage items, Etsy is an ideal platform for selling your handmade candles. With millions of shoppers looking for one-of-a-kind products, this marketplace offers great exposure. 2. Amazon Handmade. As one of the largest online marketplaces globally, Amazon has a dedicated section for handmade goods. Selling your candles on Amazon Handmade gives you access to their massive customer base and trusted reputation. 3. Shopify. If you prefer having complete control over your online store, setting up a Shopify website might be the right choice for you. You can customize the design and layout according to your brand image and easily manage orders and inventory. 4. Instagram, Facebook. Utilizing social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook allows you to connect directly with potential customers through engaging visuals and storytelling captions. 5. Local craft fairs or farmers markets. While not strictly online, participating in local events can help build awareness about your handmade candle business while providing an opportunity for face-to-face interactions with customers. Remember that each platform has its own advantages and disadvantages, so it's essential to research and choose what aligns best with your goals as a seller. Tips for promoting your handmade candle business. Promoting your handmade candle business is crucial for attracting customers and increasing sales. Here are some effective tips to help you get the word out about your unique creations. 1. Social media is your friend. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to showcase your handmade candles in visually appealing ways. Post high-quality photos, share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your creative process, and engage with potential customers through comments and direct messages. 2. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers who have a strong following in the home decor or lifestyle niche. Send them samples of your candles in exchange for honest reviews or mentions on their platforms. This can significantly boost exposure for your brand. 3. Consider hosting giveaways or contests on social media to generate excitement and interest around your handmade candles. Encourage participants to tag friends, share posts, or follow your page for a chance to win free products. 4. Attend local craft fairs, markets, or pop-up events where you can set up a booth and directly interact with potential customers. Offer demonstrations of how you make your candles and provide personalized recommendations based on individual preferences. 5. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms such as Etsy or Google My Business. Positive testimonials can go a long way in building trust among new buyers. 6. Develop partnerships with complementary businesses such as spas, boutiques, or gift shops that align with the aesthetic appeal of your handmade candles. Offer wholesale pricing options so they can stock and sell them alongside their own products. By implementing these promotion strategies consistently over time, you'll be able to expand awareness about your handmade candle business while building a loyal customer base eager to light up their homes with enchanting scents from your creations. Conclusion. Selling handmade candles online can be a lucrative and fulfilling business venture. With the benefits of reaching a global audience, low startup costs, and the ability to showcase your unique creations, it's no wonder that many artisans are turning to e-commerce platforms to sell their handmade candles. By offering different types of handmade candles such as soy wax, beeswax, or scented varieties, you can cater to a wide range of customers with varying preferences. The popularity of handmade products continues to rise as consumers seek out high-quality and environmentally friendly alternatives. When it comes to selling your handmade candles online, there are various platforms available for you to choose from. Whether you opt for established marketplaces like Etsy or decide to set up your own website using platforms like Shopify or WordPress, make sure you select an option that aligns with your business goals and target audience. To effectively promote your handmade candle business online, utilize social media marketing strategies, collaborate with influencers in the home decor niche, offer discounts or promotions during special occasions like holidays or seasonal events. Additionally, don't forget about the power of engaging product descriptions and visually appealing photography on your website or listings. Remember that building a successful online presence takes time and effort. Stay consistent with posting content on social media channels and updating product listings regularly. Engage with potential customers through comments and messages promptly while providing excellent customer service. In conclusion, selling handmade candles online offers numerous advantages for creative entrepreneurs looking to turn their passion into profit. By tapping into the growing demand for artisanal products in today's digital age, you have the opportunity to reach customers worldwide while showcasing your unique talent. So why not light up the internet with beautiful handcrafted candles? Start crafting those sales today.